Welcome to CSEC Solutions, everyone. I am your tutor, Kevin Small, and today we'll be going through the May-June 2011 Mathematics Paper 2. That will be the General Proficiency paper. I'm going to just go through questions 1 Part A and Part B today. So in question 1, we have a typical CSE question. We're going to use a calculator or otherwise to determine the exact value of this expression. So here we have 2 and 1/4 plus 1/1/8 over 4.5. Now, if you have an advanced scientific calculator, it may be possible to put this in one go, but it's probably best to show all steps in your working to get full marks. So, first thing, I would like to change these fractions into improper fractions. So, to change this, 2 times 4 plus 1, that would be 9 over 4 plus 1 times 8 plus 1, that would be 9 over 8 over 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9 over 2. So now we change all of them into the improper fraction form. It may be easier now for you to actually calculate the answer. So start with the numerator. I'm going to change this so that it will have the same denominator as 9/8. To do that, I multiply both the top and bottom by 2, and that will give me 18 over 8 plus 9 over 8 all upon 9 on 2. That will lead me to 27 over 8 divided by 9 over 2. And now, when you have a fraction divided by another fraction, you can always rewrite it as this. You can have 27 over 8 times 2 over 9, and that is going to be equal to, this can cancel with this can cancel with this, and we're left with 3 over 4. So here we have it. That is question A, part 1. A typical question, as I said, you can always use your calculator, but you can make mistakes. It's always best to show working and get your full marks. So on to A, part 2. So A, part 2, we have 3.96 times 0.25 minus square root 0.0256. Now, with this type of question, in the interest of time, especially for those practicing for the exam, I would just put this in my calculator, but I would be careful in that I would put my brackets around the select parts of the equation, because we still have to follow the rules of BODMAS, whereas multiplication comes before subtraction, as well as square root. This is also done first as well. So you put your brackets around these two select parts of the equation, and your calculator will tell you the answer, which is 0.83. Okay, so moving on now to question 1 part B. Here we have a simple table. CSEC likes to give these type of questions a simple table showing Pamela's shopping bill, where some of the information is excluded. So here we see that Pamela has on her list rice, and the quantity she buys is 6.5 kilograms, and the unit price we see is $2.4, $2.40. So what is the total cost? So your unit price is basically the price per whatever unit you buy. So in this case, this would be the price per kg. So if I want to know the total cost, I will simply multiply the 2.40 times 6.5 kg, and that will give me W, which is equal to 15.6 dollars, $15.60. Now we move on to potatoes. So here we have that she buys 4 bags of potatoes, and they give us the total cost, and they want to find the unit price. To do that now, you will simply divide the total cost divided by the quantity she buys. So that is going to be equal to the missing value X, which is equal to $13.20. Now, last on her list of items is milk. So we don't know how much cartons she bought, but we know the total cost and we know the unit price. So to find Y, which would be the cartons, we simply divide now the total price over the unit price. Your dollar signs cancel, and you're left now with the value for Y, which is 6 cartons of milk. Last but not least, we want to calculate the VAT, which is denoted by Z. So to work out the VAT, we can see that we have a value here which is $9.90. We have a total cost, we have a cost of the items, we have the VAT, and then we have now the total cost of everything. So to work out the VAT percentage, what we do, we put $9.90 divided by $82.50 times 100 times 100%. So cancel. This would give us a value of 12%, and that is your answer for Z. Okay, thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can see more solutions in the link below.